Hey guys, so I am home for a little bit, and I was looking at my sister's hair like, whoa, like it looks crazy, y'all. Like there's so much length, like I can see like some buildup in her hair too. So like I'm gonna really try to see what I can do. I'm gonna go wash them. I don't want to do an ACV rinse yet on her hair because I did it not too long ago. Maybe the next time I wash her hair, I'll do an ACV rinse. But for today, I'm just gonna wash her hair. And yeah, you guys, like she has so much. I mean, her hair is locking for sure. They're really hard, but she has so much length, like it's ridiculous, y'all. So much length. So I'm gonna wash them out and try to take some of them out. I will try. I know I'm not gonna get all of them out, but I'm going to do my best. And after that, I'm gonna wash them and retwist them for her because it's been a while since she had a nice retwist. So yeah, you guys, I'm just gonna go wash her hair. I'm not gonna show it because you guys already know how I wash her hair. It's nothing serious really. I'll show little clips here and there, but yeah, you guys, so I will be right back to show you guys how her hair is looking like after I wash it again, okay? All right, y'all, so I am done. I don't know, the lighting is really not that great, you guys. I'm not really sure why, but the lighting is not the best. But you guys, just washing her hair, I've seen such a huge, you know, difference between when I first started her hair, you know, how we started before I washed it, to now. So now I'm going to comb out, I mean not comb out, I'm gonna brush her hair out a little bit to take out some more length. Yeah, so and then I'm probably gonna do a double strand retwist so that it can last a little bit longer, because her retwists, you guys, don't last at all. So all I'm gonna be using is just some oil, and then just gonna, you know, see, she has so much length, guys. So I'm going to see if I can take care of that, some of them at least, you know, because I know I'm not going to be able to remove all of them all at once, but like the ones like for example these ones that's like right on the surface, I'm going to try to see if I can take them out. But yeah, you guys, so I'll show you guys how it's looking like when I'm like a little bit more done, okay? Alright, y'all, so the light is really just not doing me any justice right now. But anyways, you guys, her hair looks, I took a little bit, some of the length out, you guys, and it looks so much better. There are some parts where like you see like white parts, it's like the water in her hair, but then again there's some parts where like for example, let me see right here, She has some length right there, and she also I feel like those are kind of like build up, you guys. So yeah, like I said, next time I'm gonna do like a whole ACV rinse and you know, take the lint out as I go along, because I cannot sit and do this a whole day. This is like something that you do little by little, like, you know, as you see them, you just remove them if you can, at least. But for right now, from, you know, how she started, you guys, her hair looks way better. Like way better. Like the brush really did help remove a lot of the ones that were on top. Like, this is water. You know, a lot of them that was on top of the surface, it removed a lot of them, and some of those white are like buds are from her root. But yeah, you guys, there's some right there. I'm gonna try to take them out. But yeah, guys, so now I'm just gonna go retwist her hair. I'm gonna do double strand retwist. I'll come back. I'll show you guys some part of it, maybe a little bit, I don't know. But as you guys know how to do, you know, double strand already anyway, so I'll show you guys the little bits, pieces and stuff like that. And yeah.